Hey! Hey! This is Consum Films once again in the house. So remember, today I'm gonna show you how to make this song in Cubase 5. Hey! Right guys, if this is your first time on this channel, Consum Films, always consider clicking that red subscription button, and also if this video is helping your life, why not give a like there on the below and share to your friends too. And for those who need a private lesson on how you can edit video or how you can make music, or if you wanna get some of my beats, you just go to www.kondison.com. that is KONDISON.com, and you get many stuffs there, just free. I'll be providing you their free lessons on how you can edit your videos and you become a pro in Adobe Premiere. So today I'm just not gonna waste much time. I wanna teach you on how you can make this Amapiano style. Right, so let's get on our Cubase 5. Remember last time I made a beat, I saw for you how to make Amapiano style, but today I'm a bit going to be different, so you can feel the biblical melody here. I'll be making for you that is Jerusalema. So the first thing we're gonna use is I'm going to use the voice of strings, or you can use citrus. That is in the what? So you may need this plugin. So you could just go to my website. If you need plugins there, you just go to my website www.kondison.com and you get free plugins there. So I just want to sample for you. Hey guys, as I told you, for you to record in a good perpendicular order, you need to enable the clock so that before you start recording, it will first count something here up here like T to and then you start recording maramoja. So we are going to do the recording. As I told you, I'll be recording the strings. Hey, no. Constant. Yeah, so it is supposed to count at least T to 2 times, something like that. So we are going to do this one. Let's start it once again. Hey. Constant. Constant on the beat. Hey. Now you can feel that biblical melody. Hi! It is called Verecorantos, and sometimes when you're playing, the devil can knock your hand like this. So what you can do is you just open the piano roll like this, you double click on it to open, then you highlight Ctrl A, and you click on Q. It's called quantization. Quantization. And I remember, if you need this beat, you just go to my website kondison.com. Right guys, the next instrument we're gonna put is just the saxophone, without wasting much of your time, and that is in impurity. As I told you, when you open your purity, you just click on this piano sign, then you come on preset, you select the first voice in woodwind. It is called woodwind. The first voice, that is the saxophone. Now I'm going to do the recording. When we click on the record, it will count something like 2 times. Constant on the beat. Now for this one, I'm not going to quantize anything because I play it perfectly. There's no need for quantizing. Sometimes when you quantize it, it goes rough, it goes wrong. The devil will enter there into the quantization. So for this one, I'm not going to quantize, but just I want to add another track so that we do the bass right away. I just want to do the bass. So you come to add instrument track, and you go to your purity. I'm just going to now drop the bass lines. That's the one now which will bring the madness in the music. And that's the last voice for now. So remember, if you wanna open the bass line, so if you wanna open the bass line, you just come on the preset. You can just come to bass and guitars, and you can just select this second bass. That's good for bass.
Console on the beat.
That is very perfect, but I'm hearing some mistakes there in the saxophone, so you're just gonna remove that one right away. Let it not just contradict everything.
Console on the
beat. I'm going to do the saxophone again for the last time, and some of those instruments, some of the other instruments, they'll come last, not now.
Console on the beat.
Hey, for those who need a private lesson, you just go to my website condison.com and you get free online lesson there. So now you can edit your own video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.